There is misconception that freelancing is easier than a traditional job. Freelance work is still work. In all honesty, freelance work may even be harder in terms of individual responsibility, at least more than regular work. In this video, I will reveal the top things that you need to remember when you're starting a freelance business. Firstly, you need to remember that success takes time. High demand for your services may not or will not happen over time. The most important thing is not to be discouraged and not to give up. You may have to readjust your marketing or alter the locations of your promotions. Building a solid client base can be challenging, but perseverance is key. You should make sure that there is a demand for your services and ensure that you're promoting yourself in the correct places in order to meet your target audience. The second thing you need to remember is that you are in control. Freelance is one of those things where you get back what you put in. If you dedicate yourself to structuring your business properly and using good time management skills, you will be successful. You're in control of everything. And while this is one of the biggest positives of being a freelancer, it's also one of the negatives. And there's no one to blame but yourself. If you put in the time and effort, you'll be able to reap the rewards. The third thing is that you need to be able to pitch yourself. It's not enough to just have a website listing your services. You actually need to advocate for your business and seek out clients. Being able to pitch yourself and outline what you can do for potential clients is something that sets good freelancers apart from the rest. You should learn to advocate for yourself and seek out clients. You do not have to wait for them to come to you. The fourth thing is, once you're successful, is that your business can be scalable. As your business grows, you may find yourself able to hire employees or outsource some elements of your work. A freelance business does not have to be a single employee. Once your workload increases, you may choose to actually hire a team. The fifth thing to know is that you can change your business as you please. If you wish to change your niche, you can do so. If you want to scale back your working hours, why not? It's all up to you. The successes and failures of your freelance business depend entirely on you, your work ethics, and your goals. And you will need to do a lot of research. You will need to understand your service, your industry, your competition, as well as understanding how to run a freelance business, of course. Research is the best way to ensure that you're clear on everything relevant to your business. By keeping these things in mind as you proceed with your freelance career, you'll be able to make the most of it. The most important thing to remember, however, is that you are in control of the success of your freelance enterprise. This means that you should not just proceed in doing something that is not working in the hope that it will one day. Why don't you update your strategies, improve your content, for example? With freelance, you get back what you put in. So make sure that you put in the work and give your business the best chance of success. If the idea of being a freelancer intrigues you, don't miss my webinar where I share what it means to be a freelancer and the steps you need to take before you even open your doors to the public. You can find more information about the webinar in the description below. And if you like what you've heard, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.